The West Region, page 3, Land and Water continued. The Great Salt Lake is one of the largest lakes in the U.S. The Great Salt Lake is about 75 miles long and 35 miles wide, but is very shallow. Most of the lake is only 3 feet deep. Unlike most of the lakes, the Great Salt Lake is full of very salty water, even saltier than the ocean, because several rivers flow into the lake, but no water flows out. When the water evaporates, salt is left behind. The Great Salt Lake is too salty for fish. The only animals that live in the lake are tiny brine shrimp. Although they are small, brine shrimp are an important food source for the millions of birds that live around the lake. Dry and flat areas called salt flats surround the Great Salt Lake. The salt flats were left behind when Lake Bonneville, a big prehistoric lake, dried up thousands of years ago. Alaska and Hawaii, being apart from other states, are very different from the rest of the states in this region. The northern part of Alaska is tundra, a cold, flat, treeless land. Hawaii is made up of 8 main islands. Its islands were made long ago by volcanoes that grew up out of the Pacific Ocean, 2 of which are still active. Sidebar: Alaska is the largest state in the U.S., but it has the fewest number of people of any state.